The 27th Convocation of the Northeastern Hill University Shillong was held on the 21st of May 2022 at the university premises. The Union Minister of Education, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship graced the occasion as chief guest. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, was the guest of honor in the midst of the Vice Chancellor of the University, P S Shukla, Vice Chancellor of Tripura University, as special guest, faculty members, students, parents of awardees and other invitees. More than 18,000 students had received their certificates and citations. Various categories of awards were presented by the Union Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhan, to the students of the university for their exemplary performance in the university examinations of 2020-2021. Speaking as guest of honor, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, said that the physical and mental health of a child since infancy should be of focus so as to allow holistic development of the person in the future.
Even when it comes to our education, we must remember that it is a holistic picture that we look at. What is our purpose? Are we here to get a degree or give degrees? Or are we here to create responsible citizens of our country? Are we here to create and make physically, emotionally and spiritually strong citizens for our state and our country? Are we here to show that each one of you contributes to your family, to your society, to this country and the world as a whole? We are here to create responsible citizens.
The chief guest on the occasion, Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan, while addressing the gathering, said that students should drop the idea of job hunting but should themselves aspire at being job creators in order to become job providers in the future.
To create benchmark, goodness, quality standard among the youth. The good thing, if you go to the history, go to the civilization story of mankind, you will find whatever new idea, new one came, it is university. And university, there are two major stakeholders, students and teachers, and Nehu is the right place. University is an institution to map the future, to analyze the history, to synthesize the present context. Lord are here to map the history of not only Northeastern state, not only India, to map the history of mankind and the globe.